If you removed your video background and now you want to export the video with transparent background in Premiere Pro, here's how to do it. So this video has no background. If I click on this settings icon, clicking on transparency grid, as you can see, this video has no background. Now all you have to need to export this video with transparent background, go to File, hover over on Export and click on Media, or you can press Ctrl+M to get this export settings window. Here click on Format and select QuickTime. Click on Preset, and here I'm selecting here Custom. Now come to this video section and click on Video Codec, and here select Animation. After that, scroll down and under Render at maximum depth, select here 8 BPC plus alpha. Then all you have to need, click on Export, and that's it. You have successfully exported the video with transparent background, and the file format will be .mov. Now I'm just deleting all of them from a timeline, and let's import the transparent video that I just exported. And now if I open another video, then I'm opening this video above my background video, and we can see the subject is showing because this video has no background. So that's it for now.